Wine growers, fruit growers. If you'd like to produce quality and organic grapes and fruit, if you'd like to save time and costs, then the right choice is the innovative construction of INO flame movers with remote hydraulic movers and weeders. Mulch between rows in one pass, mow between vines and trees, and clean vines and trees. You saved time, money, and you produced better organic wines and fruits. Isn't that the right choice? Optional equipment, electronics INO vibration control provides control over the operating of flame movers during working.